माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। वंदे में था दम, वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम। ओ भाई भाई का दुश्मन है बना रे, नफरत की आंधी बहती रे। वहशी दिलों को बापू प्यार सिखा दे, आजा रे बापू आजा रे। वंदे में था दम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे में था दम, वंदे मातरम। हो झूठ का बढ़ता जाए राज ओ बाबू, अपने ही हो गए तो।
Mahatma Gandhi, a prominent leader in the history of world, who taught the lesson of Satyagraha, Ahimsa Paramo Dharma. His journey from South Africa to India with non-cooperation to civil disobedience movement rooted the British rule of 200 years of Greek Empire. His devotion to the nation saved our motherland. His journey after him, one of the great leaders, Lal Bahadur Shastri, took the path Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के।
The biggest weapon in his defense was his path of non-violence. A man with that human reputation, the father of our nation. After an imperial, honored with peace and non-violence, admired by the world, will be honored by generation. He taught us the most important lesson of life. Where there is love, there is life. We all love you, our Bapu, our country. Thank you.
ओ भाई भाई का
सुप्रभात,
दुश्मन
आप
है
सबों को
बना
लाल
रे,
बहादुर शास्त्री
नफरत
जयंती
की आंधी
की
बहती
हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
रे।
इस अवसर पर मैं सबों के
वहशी
सामने
दिलों को
एक कविता
बापू
प्रस्तुत करने जा
प्यार
रहा हूँ।
सिखा दे,
व्यक्तित्व की
आजा
गाथाओं से जन जन में शक्ति जगाते हैं, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी के गौरव को सुनाते हैं। बाल्यकाल का कष्ट भरा और साहस था उनका साया, सादा जीवन ऊंचे विचार, आदर्शों को मन से अपनाया। आजादी की लड़ी लड़ाई हम उनकी महिमा गाते हैं, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी के गौरव को आज सुनाते हैं। बाप बड़ों की बुरी नियत से जब सीमा के अंदर आया, साहस भर के सैनिकों में कभी उनसे पैर झुकाया। भारत की आज़ादी के रक्षक हम उनको शीश नवाते हैं, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी के गौरव को आज सुनाते हैं। युद्ध परिणाम और अंत संकट को शास्त्री जी ने विचारा, जय जवान जय किसान का लगाया देश में नारा। प्रतिवर्ष 2 अक्टूबर को उनकी जयंती मनाते हैं, लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी के गौरव को आज सुनाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े
Greetings to everyone.
वो शान
We,
से,
the student of St. Augustine Senior Secondary School, Hazaribagh, have gathered online here to celebrate the special occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. I, Mahalakshmi, heartily welcome you all to remember, acknowledge and honor the birth of our honorable father of nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. With the emotions of nationalism and patriotism, this day, 2nd of October, is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti every year by the Indians with the same enthusiasm.
Good morning everyone. I am Maz Ahmed and I welcome you on this beautiful day of Gandhi Jayanti. We remember this day as the birthday of our beloved father of nation, Mr. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and globally we celebrate this day as Non-Violence Day. Mahatma Gandhi was a very peaceful person and he totally believed in non-violence, and we breathe in independent India because of his influence. He was a real pain for British government. His non-violence policy has a potential to let our country to be independent, not as monarch, not as dictator, but as democratic. But all this came at a cost. He was imprisoned more than 10 times in 1919 at Palwal, in 1922 Sabarmati, and many more places. And his movement like Khilafat and Untouchables bring all India Muslims and Dalits united as a single Indian. And his Quit India movement creates an ignition to many Indian activists. Mr. Jayaprakash Narayan escaped this highly secured jail in 1942 to join Quit India movement and to take participate with Mahatma Gandhi. At that time, millions of people rose against British rule and started boycott every single product of British government. People quit their job, students left their school, and people burned the product of British government. There was no cooperation with British government, and this unity led our country to be independent. It was the dream of Mahatma Gandhi to be India a non-violence country and a country where everyone is equal. No discrimination on the basis of religion, caste and creed. But are we following this rule? Are we following this dream?
The complete answer is no.
Again government started divide and rule policy, people are started violence, and again farmer not getting their rights. Just think, are we making Gandhiji proud? Again, I wish you very happy Gandhi Jayanti, and I believe there will be a sunrise of justice after the darkness of cruelty.
Warm good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. I am Preeti Prakash from class 10. I want to deliver a speech on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter who spent his whole life in struggle for the independence of India. He was born in India's Hindu family on 2nd October in 1869 in Polbandar, Gujarat. He lived his whole life as a leader of Indian people. His whole life story is great inspiration for us. He called as Bapu or Rashtrapita. He spent his life in fighting against British rule for the freedom. While fighting with British, he took up with his great weapons like non-violence, satyagraha, etc. Many times he got arrested and sent to the jail, but he never discouraged himself and continued fighting for nation. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Morning to all of my dear friends, teacher and principal. I am Asad Raja. It's my fortune to say some line about our national festival Gandhi Jayanti. As you know that India celebrates three national festivals such as Independence Day, Republic Day, but Gandhi Jayanti is also one of them. Gandhi Jayanti is a such kind of festival we celebrate in India as a national festival on 2nd October. Gandhi celebrated Gandhiji to remember their birth of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi on this day. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. He belongs to Mothbanya caste. His father name is Karamchand Gandhi and his mother name is Pujlibai Gandhi. His family is not big family. He belongs to medium caste. Mahatma Gandhi are also called the name of their title as the father of the nation and Rashtrapita. People are also called Bapu, which is given their name by their farmers. Mahatma Gandhi is very good person. He completed his schooling in Ahmedabad and completed his colleging in South Africa. He is very struggle in our life and he do very hard working in our life, such as in food, in education, in in wandering places and many more. But he never afraid for this. That he always try to give best of in our life. He always try to give freedom to India. But many people are say that while you give freedom to India, British is more powerful. That but Mahatma Gandhi are not seeing that. They always try to give freedom from India by the British. They always listen abuse word by British from Indian peoples and many more. But Mahatma Gandhi are not seeing that. They always try to give freedom to India. Mahatma Gandhi are very good person, and I am inspired from Mahatma Gandhi because I want to become an IAS officer, because Mahatma Gandhi do very well in our life. They do lots of things to India to give their freedoms, and I also want to do something for our country, for our nation. So that's why I become to like a Mahatma Gandhi, and I love to Mahatma Gandhi very much. Thank you.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य, शिक्षक एवं मेरे सहपाठी, मैं माधुरी कुमारी आज गांधी जयंती के अवसर पर 2 लाइन कहना चाहती हूँ। आज राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी की जयंती है और मैं आप सभी को इस दिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। गांधी जयंती के अवसर पर मुझे बोलने का मौका मिला, उस पर मुझे गर्व महसूस हो रहा
उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान रे।
महात्मा गांधी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 में हुआ था। इनके पिताजी का नाम करमचंद गांधी और माता का नाम पुतलीबाई था। इनका विवाह 13वें वर्ष की उम्र में कस्तूरबा गांधी से हो गया था। गांधी जी लंदन में कानून की पढ़ाई करके डिग्री प्राप्त की थी। वहां से लौटने के बाद उन्होंने भारत को अंग्रेजों से मुक्त कराने का अहम भूमिका निभाई। सत्य और अहिंसा का मार्ग पर चलने वाले गांधी जी को लोग प्यार से बापू बुलाते हैं। उन्होंने पूरे देश को जताया कि हम स्वतंत्र हो गए। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Good morning everyone. Bapu and his teaching will always help you to fight even the toughest battle calmly. From this beautiful course, I am Isha Fatima. Heartily welcome you to celebrate this momentous day along with us. On 2nd October every year, India celebrates a national holiday in the remembrance and honor of the birth of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1969 in the Porbandar in Gujarat. He was a freedom fighter who earned himself as a subsequent father of nation. Gandhiji is also to respect him and remembering his philosophy of truth and non-violence. He was a man of exceptional leadership, quality and courage who led India to the path of freedom. His endeavor is creating our country free from the clutches of British Raj. He has led his contribution in various movements. To chuck British out of the country and retain the essence of Bharat. Before ending my speech, I am saying a beautiful quote that basic education links the children, whether the city or a village. All is best. And last way in India. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the father of the nation. On the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, I want to deliver a speech to the greatest personality ever, Mahatma Gandhi. He was born in 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. This year, in 2021, it is the 152nd birth anniversary of the man who was ahead of his times. His ideologies of non-violence and ahimsa impacted the lives of many great individuals like Martin Luther King. and still don't fail to influence our lives today. For the people of India, he was Bapu. Gandhiji's wife name is Kasturba Gandhi. They had 4 sons. Gandhiji studied law from the University of London. He was a lawyer by profession. He returned to India as barrister and took part in the struggle for freedom. He was imprisoned several times. Under his guidance, he came free on 15th August 1947. Truth and ahimsa were guiding principle of his life. Every community, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, celebrate Bapu's birthday with a great sense of unity. This day observed as a national holiday and is the 3rd national holiday after Independence Day and Republic Day. Nathuram Vinayak Godse, assassin of Mahatma Gandhi, who shot Gandhi in the chest 3 times at Point Blank Range in New Delhi on 30 January 1948. A speech is not enough to speak about Mahatma Gandhi values and needs, but we as the future of the country can honor him by living our life with his principles of truth, peace and non-violence and lead our country to an incredible nation. Let's salute the father of the nation, the great soul who contributed to the country's freedom. Jai Hind. Thank you.
नमस्कार आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य, माननीय शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, आज गांधी जयंती के शुभ अवसर पर मैं आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। मैं गांधी हूँ लेकिन सत्ता का भूखा नहीं, देश का वफादार हूँ पर तंत्रता मुझे मंजूर नहीं। चाहो जो कहना है कह दो, मैंने कहकर नहीं करके दिखलाया है। आज जो स्वतंत्रता भूमि मिली है तुम्हें, कईयों ने उसे जान देकर छुड़ाया है। आसान है गलती निकालना, तकलीफ़ों के लिए दोष दे जाना। मैंने अंग्रेज़ों को बाहर फेंका था, तुम कूड़ा तो फेंक कर दिखलाओ। हमने स्वतंत्रता भारत दिया था, तुम स्वच्छ भारत तो दे जाओ। भले मत कहो इसे गांधी जयंती, इसे स्वच्छ भारत का आवरण चढ़ाओ। धन्यवाद।
Teacher is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. Yes, I am talking about such a personality who had played an important role for giving our country freedom from British rule. Yes, you all recognize rightly. I am talking about our most beloved and respected Mahatma Gandhi. A very warm welcome and heartiest good morning to all of you present here today. This is Zara Hayat, student of St. Augustine High School, and I am very glad to have an opportunity to speak on such a noteworthy person like Bapu. A boy born on 2nd of October 1869 in Porbandar, small village in Gujarat, went to become a biggest and greatest patriotic of India. His effort became an inspiration for all of us. He is none other than Mahatma Gandhi, whose full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and his father was Karamchand Gandhi and mother's Putli Bai. At the age of 13, he was married to a 14-year-old girl whose name was Kasturba Gandhi. After completing his matrics, he went to London for further studies, and after that, he went South Africa for practice and started his career as a lawyer. But when he went South Africa, he faced many problems. Many times he was insulted, many times he was tortured just because he was black in color and white people were discriminating with them. This incident had a great effect on Gandhiji's life. So when he came back to India, he saw the situation of India, which is really very bad. So he started many movements like non-cooperation movement, Quit India movement, Salt Satyagraha and many more. So this incidents, these actions which he had taken to India, he make him a father of our nation. At the end, everything has its end. So on 30th January 1948, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by a Hindu nationalist named Nathuram Godse. But I saluted to such a great leader who helped us to giving the freedom for our country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम शाइस्ता नाज है। आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने एक भाषण प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है गांधी जयंती। आशा है आप लोग अच्छे होंगे। खैर, मेरी सबसे पहली और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कर्तव्य प्रिंसिपल, शिक्षण स्टाफ, सभी छात्रों और मेरी ओर से आप सभी को गांधी जयंती। भारत में हर वर्ष 2 अक्टूबर का दिन गांधी जयंती के रूप में मनाया जाता है। देश को अंग्रेजों से आज़ादी दिलाने में अहम भूमिका निभाने वाले महात्मा गांधी का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 को गुजरात के पोरबंदर में हुआ था। यानी इस बार हम गांधी जी की 152वीं जयंती मना रहे हैं। गांधी जी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। आगे चलकर लोगों के बीच में बापू के नाम। गांधी जी इस बात में विश्वास रखते थे कि हिंसा के रास्ते पर चलकर आप कभी भी अपने अधिकार को नहीं पा सकते।
बल्कि उन्होंने विरोध करने के लिए सत्याग्रह का रास्ता अपनाया। गांधी जी ने अपनी पढ़ाई लंदन से पूरी की थी। लंदन से बैरिस्टर की डिग्री हासिल कर उन्होंने बड़ा अफसर या वकील बनना उचित नहीं समझा, बल्कि उन्होंने अपना पूरा जीवन देश के नाम पर समर्पित कर दिया। अपने जीवन में उन्होंने ब्रिटिश हुकूमत के खिलाफ कई आंदोलन किए। दांडी सत्याग्रह, चंपारण सत्याग्रह, असहयोग आंदोलन, दलित आंदोलन, भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन उनके कुछ प्रमुख आंदोलन थे जिन्होंने ब्रिटिश साम्राज्य की नींव को कमजोर करने में बड़ा रोल अदा किया। गांधी जी ने भारतीय समाज में व्याप्त छुआछूत जैसी बुराइयों के खिलाफ लगातार आवाज उठाई। जिसकी सोच ने कर दिया कमाल, देश का बदल गया सुर और ताल। सबने बोली सत्य अहिंसा की बोली, हर गली में जली विदेशी वस्तुओं की होली। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मैं गांधी जयंती के अवसर पर एक छोटा सा भाषण देना चाहूँगा। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, बापू का जन्मदिन 2 अक्टूबर 1869 को गुजरात के छोटे से शहर में पोरबंदर में हुआ था। जबकि वो अपने जीवन भर बड़े बड़े कार्य किए। वह एक वकील भी थे और उन्होंने अपनी कानून की डिग्री इंग्लैंड से ली और वकालत दक्षिण अफ्रीका से ली। महात्मा गांधी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था और वो बापू तथा राष्ट्रपिता के नाम से भी प्रसिद्ध थे। 2 अक्टूबर को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सतह पर अहिंसा दिवस के रूप में भी मनाया जाता था, क्योंकि बापू अपने पूरे जीवन भर अहिंसा के उपदेशक रहे। 15 जून 2007 संयुक्त राष्ट्र सामान्य सभा द्वारा 2 अक्टूबर को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय अहिंसा दिवस के रूप में घोषित किया गया था। आप सबसे उनके एक महान कथन को बांटना चाहूँगा। व्यक्ति अपने विचारों से निर्मित प्राणी है। व्यक्ति अपने विचारों से निर्मित प्राणी है। वो जो सोचता है वही बन जाता है। जय हिंद।
Good morning, respected principal, teacher, and my dear friend. I am Anil Kumar. I am here today to speak a few words about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the biggest and great nationalist in India. He was born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat state. His full name is Mohan Chand Karamchand Gandhi. He is father of nation and people love him, call him Bapu. Gandhi's wife named Kasturba Gandhi, and they had 4 sons. Gandhiji studied law and from the University of London. He is returned to India for as the barrister and took part of the struggle for freedom. So he was locked up several times. Under the guidance, we became free on 15 August 1947. Truth and ahimsa were the guiding principle of his life. Mahatma Gandhi was killed by Nathuram Godse on 13 January 1948. A speech is not enough to speak about Mahatma Gandhi values and deeds, but we as the future of country and honor him by living our life with the principle of truth, peace and non-violence and lead our country to an incredible nation. जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।
सुप्रभात, मैं ब्यूटी आज गांधी जयंती के अवसर पर छोटा सा पोएम पेश करने जा रही हूँ। इसका शीर्षक है भोले भाले बापू। बापू भोले भाले थे और सबके रखवाले थे। वो आजादी दिलवा कर श्रम कसर जाते। हम भी अच्छा काम करेंगे, चलेंगे ऊंचा नाम करेंगे, पढ़ेंगे खूब लिखेंगे, बापू जैसा काम करेंगे।
This is Ashar Khan. Today I am here to speak some line about Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the greatest freedom fighter of India ever born. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. His father was a government official. Mahatma Gandhi is one of the most recognizable personalities of the 20th century. Mahatma Gandhi was a simple person who used to wear dhoti kurta, handspun on charkha. He was a strict vegetarian, also undertook fast for the protest. At the age of 13, Mahatma Gandhi was married to the 14-year-old girl named Kasturba Gandhi. At the age of 18, Gandhiji was sent to London for study where he was qualified for the barrister. After becoming lawyer, he moved to South Africa to provide his service as a lawyer of the age of 20. Right. So, with so many experience in South Africa, Gandhiji changed into a strong and courageous leader. In 1940, he returned to India after spending 20 years in South Africa. He became the leader of the fight for independence. He led many freedom movements, which include Salt Satyagraha and the Quit Indian movement, even though he was arrested many times but he never gave up. On the 30 August 1948, Nathuram Godse shooted Mahatma Gandhi. So, being respectfully, being Indian, we must pay him honor and respect by following his guided path of simplicity and truthfulness. Life is too short of making it wasteful by doing vulgar action and luxury. Helping each other with love and respect, irrespective of difference, what our aim of life should be.
Warm good morning to all of you. Hello everyone, this is Lyra Kanaya, and first of all I wish that you all are well in this pandemic situation. So now I'm presenting here a very beautiful speech on the topic of Mahatma Gandhi. So with the emotions of nationalism and patriotism, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in all over India by the Indians with a very great enthusiasm. You know what, that this Indians is remembering this day with the values and the words the Mahatma Gandhi should be says to all of us. You know that he contributed to society and make our country freedom. He do lots of things for our country. You know what, that we do vote today that our constitution is totally free, and we told that we Indians are completely free and we is a democratic country. Then how can we say all the thanks and all the greetings should be goes directly through the Mahatma Gandhi, the person, the very devastating type of things that he should do for our country. You know what, that Mahatma Gandhi is a freedom fighter that ever born, means the person who has to oppressed by the oppression and the Britishers, but after the oppression he also choose the non-violence. You know what, that many people also call him Bapu. And as we all know and as we are familiar about that Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd of October, and it's a non-violence type of the movement that he just goes to it. It makes lots of national movements to the country, and he do lots of things for our country welfare. You know what, that Mahatma Gandhi is a type of leader that all persons say that it's a national father. Why it's called national father? Because he do lots of things for us, and that's why we call it national father. You know that it's not think that an individual right should be snatched from any person. They thought that all the person from the country of India, the power should be snatched. So they have to told that by using non-violence, they are just showing that non-aggressive movement, and they have to just they have to oppress lots of movements into their day-to-day life. And now we are finally say that now we are freedom and all the things that we first of all we should thank that Mahatma Gandhi. He always say that live your life as you live tomorrow, and learn that if you can die tomorrow. So thank you so much, and happy Gandhi Jayanti to you all. Thank you so much.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम आला फिरदौसी है और मैं आप लोगों के समझ गांधी जयंती के उपलक्ष्य में कुछ शब्द रखने जा रही हूँ। ऐनक, धोती और लाठी है जिसकी पहचान, वह है हमारे बापू महात्मा गांधी महान। महात्मा गांधी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। वे बापू तथा राष्ट्रपिता के नाम से भी प्रसिद्ध है। राष्ट्रपिता को श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए हर वर्ष पूरे उत्साह के साथ हम 2 अक्टूबर को गांधी जयंती मनाते हैं तथा उनके हिम्मतपूर्ण कार्यों को याद करते हैं। बापू का जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 गुजरात के पोरबंदर गांव में हुआ। वे एक वकील थे। उन्होंने अपनी कानून की डिग्री इंग्लैंड से प्राप्त की तथा वकालत दक्षिण अफ्रीका में की। वे अपने पूरे जीवन भर भारत की स्वतंत्रता के लिए अंग्रेजी शासन के खिलाफ पूरे धैर्य और हिम्मत के साथ लड़ते रहे। वे सत्य और अहिंसा के पथ प्रदर्शक थे। उन्होंने भारत की आज़ादी के लिए सत्याग्रह आंदोलन की शुरुआत की। उन्होंने दुनिया को दिखाया कि हिंसा के पथ पर चलकर शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से भी आज़ादी पाई जा सकती है। इस दिन नई दिल्ली के राजघाट पर इसे ढेर सारी तैयारियां के साथ मनाया जाता है, जैसे प्रार्थना, फूल चढ़ाना, उनका पसंदीदा गाना रघुपति राघव राजा राम आदि बजाकर गांधी जी को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित की जाती है। धन्यवाद।
A very warm welcome and heartiest good morning to all of you. I am Saima Parveen and I am glad that I have an opportunity to speak on such a great person like Bapu. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. Yes, I am talking about such a great personality who has played an important role in giving our country freedom from British rule. Yes, you all recognize rightly. I am talking about our most beloved and respected Mahatma Gandhi. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to pay tribute to him. He devoted his life for India's independence by using a strong weapon, non-violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember Gandhiji's principle of peace and non-violence and to educate and inspire the present generation. The contribution made by Gandhiji to make India an independent country. His favorite song Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram sang for him. Gandhiji, being such a great leader, preferred to wear khadi clothes. He never accepted British culture and always followed the old traditional culture of India. He has led to too many important movements such as Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement and so on. He has gone through a long struggle so that people of India can live in an independent nation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Adil Rahman. I am going to deliver a speech on a great personality of India, also known as the father of our nation, who is none other than the great Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869. Mahatma Gandhi was an Indian barrister, anti-colonial nationalist and a political ethicist. Gandhiji fought against British with a lot of patience and non-violence. He did many protests like Dandi March, Civil Disobedience March and any other marches. On 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in honor to Gandhiji. This is our third national festival. Many events are organized on this day. Gandhiji played an important role in giving freedom to our nation. Due to his selfless contribution, he is known as the father of our nation. At last, I would like to say that Gandhiji was a great personality and he is in the heart of all Indians forever and ever. I hope I succeeded in expressing my feelings to you by this speech. Thanking you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hi everyone, I am Ramzan and I am here to give a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. So Gandhi Jayanti is a national festival that we celebrate on 2nd October to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. It is one of the 3 official declared holidays of our country. The United Nations adopted the resolution to celebrate 2nd October as the International Day of Non-Violence. Residents decorate portraits and statues of Mahatma Gandhi with flowers and garlands all over India. Political parties and many more people gathered near Rajghat Memorial to pay homage to the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi's full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti is the best day to know the teachings and beliefs of Mahatma Gandhi. Every Indian celebrates Gandhi Jayanti through meetings, prayers or watching documentaries on his life or doing any other cultural activities. So that was about Gandhi Jayanti. Hope you like it. Bye.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम मोहम्मद समीर है। मैं आपके सामने एक महान इंसान के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूं जिनका नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी है, जिन्हें हम बापू के भी नाम से जाने जाते हैं। उनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1869 में हुआ था। वह एक भारतीय वकील एवं स्वतंत्रता सेनानी थे। 2 अक्टूबर को गांधी जी के सम्मान में गांधी जयंती मनाई जाती है। यह हमारा तीसरा राष्ट्रीय दिवस है। इस दिन कई कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया जाता है। गांधी जी का आज़ादी में बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। उनके कई योगदान की वजह से उनका नाम बापू भी रखा गया है। आशा करता हूँ इस स्पीच के द्वारा आपको अपनी विचार पहुँचा पाया हूँ। शुक्रिया।
A warm welcome and a hearty good morning to all my dear friends and teachers. I am Shubha Shakil from class 10 and I am here to deliver a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated in India as a national festival on 2nd October every year. This day is celebrated to remember the birth of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. It is one of the national holidays such as Independence Day and Republic Day, which is celebrated in India. Mahatma Gandhi, who has given the title of the father of the nation or Rashtrapita, is also called by the name Bapu. He is great follower of peace and non-violence. He is regarded as the leader of the freedom struggle for India and his simplicity and his principle follower. Therefore, on 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated as national holiday. People contribute their time memorizing and his principle and followers. Mahatma Gandhi has the family of merchant class. At 24 years ago, he went to South Africa to pursue his law, and he came back to India in 1950. He has not only worked for India, he has also worked for social evils such as untouchability, casteism, etc. And he helped all the needies. At last, I would like to say, let's follow the path of truth and spread the message of Father of the Nation.
Good morning everyone, my name is Saman Hassan from St. Augustine Senior Secondary School. We have gathered here to celebrate the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. This is Gandhiji's 152nd birthday anniversary. Gandhiji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in small coastal town of Gujarat known as Porbandar in 1869. Because of Mahatma Gandhi and other national freedom fighters, India got freedom after 200 years of slavery. Gandhiji being such a great leader who always wear khadi dress. He never accepted British culture and always followed the old Indian traditional culture of India. He asked the Indian not to serve the British and fight for their freedom. It is because of his devotion and struggle that India is a free bird today. Because of Mahatma Gandhi's struggle, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him a name, Father of Nation. Also sometimes we call him Bapu. On 2nd October, we celebrated Gandhi Jayanti to pay a tribute to him who devoted his life to India's independence by using his strong weapon, non-violence. Not only in India, in fact in the whole world, but this day is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated to remember Gandhi's principles of peace and non-violence and to educate and inspire the present generation. The contribution made by Gandhiji to make India an independent country. He has gone through a long struggle.
मैं शास्त्र अंबर, जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि हर साल 2 अक्टूबर पूरा देश गांधी जयंती मनाता है। वहीं पूरी दुनिया इसे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दिवस के रूप में जानती है, क्योंकि 152 साल पहले 2 अक्टूबर 1869 को गुजरात के पोरबंदर में मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी का जन्म हुआ, जिन्हें आज दुनिया महात्मा गांधी और भारत के राष्ट्रपिता के रूप में जानती है। हर साल 2 अक्टूबर को भारत के हर कोने के साथ साथ दुनिया के कई हिस्से में भी महात्मा गांधी की जयंती मनाई जाती है। इस अवसर पर जगह जगह रैली, पोस्टर, प्रतियोगिता, डिबेट, स्पीच, नाटक समेत कई तरह के आयोजन किए जाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Good morning all of you. I am Arzu Parveen from class 10. I am going to tell you about Kasturba Gandhi. Kasturba Gandhi was the wife of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the greatest leader of the nation and a great soul of the world. Kasturba was married to Mahatma Gandhi at the age of 12 years in Porbandar. Kasturba Gandhi was the simple middle lady. She never had any heart for anybody, but she could not tolerate injustice done to the innocent soul like her. Kasturba Gandhi used to help Mahatma Gandhi in all his endeavors done to survive the people of his country. Kasturba Gandhi followed the footsteps of these great leader till her last breath. Kasturba Gandhi was a very wise woman. She never favored the wrong decision of her husband, how much ever he complained to do so.
Mahatma Gandhi would accept all the right decisions of her husband and reject the wrong ones. Mahatma Gandhi himself said that Kasturba Gandhi was a great patron and administration. She never got treated well working. Well, she got the news that her husband has been arrested by the British. Kasturba Gandhi traveled with her husband everywhere that he took her and helped in beginning peace and prosperity. In his national, Kasturba was arrested in 1932 and put in this prison for 3 months in 1937. She again got arrested for participating in freedom movement in 1944. Kasturba gets seriously sick and died in the loving care of her husband. Mahatma Gandhi will chanting God's holy name. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। आज 2 अक्टूबर को आपके सामने मैं एक कविता पेश करने जा रहा हूँ। बापू बोले भाले थे, हम सबके रखवाले थे, हमें आजादी दिलवाकर खुद कष्ट सह जाते थे। हम भी अच्छा काम करेंगे, खूब पढ़ेंगे, खूब लिखेंगे, बापू जैसा काम करेंगे। जय जय बापू की, जय बापू की, जय बापू की।
सुप्रभात। मैं दसवीं की छात्र हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने गांधी जयंती के उत्सव में कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ। जिनकी सोच ने कर दिया कमाल, बदल दिया जिसने देश का हाल, पढ़ाया जिसने सत्य और अहिंसा का पाठ, बात है हमारे गांधी बापू महान। धन्यवाद। हैप्पी गांधी जयंती।